In this section, we're going to see how to remove the background from a picture. So in this case, we've got two pictures. This one here has a nice solid single color background. So this one's going to be quite easy. This one, not so much, because the hair color here is kind of reddy. The background is kind of reddy, sort of red and black and grey. So this one's going to be a bit of a nightmare, and also you notice there's little bits of hair sort of floating about here. So this one's going to be not so great. This one's going to be easy. So how do you do it? Well, you simply double click on the picture, and up here there's an item that says remove background. So you click on that, and it's done a pretty good job. It's kind of removed the background. So I'll say yep, keep the changes, and there you go. That one was very, very simple. So removing the background from the top image was fairly straightforward because the background was nice and solid. Here, not so much. We've got red hair, red background. We've got lots of bits of red here. And if we double click on this and go to where it says remove color, the purple bit, the purple background kind of illustrates the bits that are going to be chopped out. So at the moment, we're going to have a rather jaggedy thing like this. So what I've got to do is click on where it says mark areas to keep, and I press the mouse button down, and essentially I try and, as best as possible, trace around here. So you kind of get the idea. So I'm pressing the mouse button down and keeping it held down, and I'm going to say, right, we want all of this. So then I have to sort of fill in this area just by dragging it around like so. So as you can see, it's a little bit fiddly. And to be honest, if you want to remove the background on a complicated image like this, you're far better off using Photoshop, to be honest, or possibly something like GIMP, which is like a free version of Photoshop. If you've never heard of GIMP, it's G-I-M-P, strange name, but it's a bit like Photoshop, not so powerful, but it's free, and it'll do the job in most cases. So let's do that. So we've done that. We also want to drag around here, so I'm going to have to sort of drag around here and down here and over here and like so and like so and like so. So you're kind of getting the idea. So remember, this bit is mark areas to keep. I've still got to keep going, so I need all of these areas here. So I need all of this here, all of that. And you're kind of getting the idea, but it's taking a lot of time and a lot of messing about. So let's say, okay, I want this area here. So we're kind of getting there. It's not perfect by any means. If I click on where it says keep changes, it's got a kind of rather raggedy outline here. So I'd say this one is easy because it had a nice solid background. This one here, not so much. I mean, it sort of works, but not very well. So as I say, if you want to do this properly, do it in Photoshop or something.